Yo, what's going on YouTube? Arash here and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm having the Porsche Targa. You can see behind me. It's getting naked for full wrap, and we just decided to wrap it with the matte orange, but the customer suddenly in the middle doesn't like the how it look like. That's why we changed the color. I already wrapped the side mirror, but in this video I will show you how I did wrap, and also many people are asking how to detach the side mirror. So please with me until the end. I will show you how to do that. Before start, subscribe the channel, turn on the notification, and help me to grow up my channel and then show more tips and those things to more people. Let's go. As you can see, I did wrap the mirror, spoiler, and door handle as well, but I have to remove it all and then rewrap it. So first things, if you want to know how to remove the side mirror of the car, so I already made the video. I'm gonna put the link here. Go watch that one before. And so for detaching the side mirror, this gonna work for all the Porsche Cayenne, Macan, 911, Targa, Boxster, Cayman, all over 2013. It's gonna be 13 or 14. It's gonna be same, depends on the car market. Maybe in the US some is the 2013, in Korea some is 2014, whatever. So it's going to be same. The first things you need to do, push the mirror, push the glass in this way. If it's the cold weather, little bit warm it up with the heat gun. Now here is too hot, so it's going to be fine. And with the wrapping squeegee, gently try to pull it out. Actually, Porsche is coming out very easily, and it has the two connector for the glass heat. Doesn't matter later you put this one here or this one, all gonna be same. And another one we disconnected, put it somewhere safe. And 1, 2, 3. All our size is torque 10, but this one size is same, but shape is different. So those two, it's gonna be same. This one gonna be looks different. And first things you need to removing that motor or engine for the mirrors. It has in the same size in the middle. When you put it back, you have to be really focused on this one well to put it in the right position. Usually it's not going to the different, but still. And it has the connector, that green color, disconnected. Also put it somewhere safe. And now time to remove the
this 3 hooks. Sometimes it's not coming out with your other finger. Help it to come out. 1, 2, 3. Okay? It's got 3 of the bolts.
And now you can see one tap here. Open it like this with the finger. Okay, and another one here, and one is here, this plastic black. Little bit push it back. So after you did that, look at how I'm doing it. Grab this bottom plastic part, and with the hand here, take it out. I did wrap this car 2 times, and then it's coming much easier, but even if his car is the new, maybe this one is coming out a little bit harder. But as you can see, it's nothing here to break, so don't scare about the like tuck tuck sound, something like those, because as soon those 3 tab got released and you already removed the bolts, nothing there to hold the mirror. So don't scare and go for it. So after you learn how to detach, about how usually I wrap the Porsche mirrors, okay? The first, okay, the one piece gonna be in this deep section, okay? All the way go down until here, okay? And then the second piece, it's gonna be this whole area and go inside, okay? So until now, two piece. And then another piece, you have to put the knifeless tape around this edge, okay? And then from here, put another big piece and then wrap it all the inside. And then three piece until now. The fourth piece from here, this side, put the knifeless tape at the body line and wrap it all around it until here. With the knifeless tape, you can cut this area. So as you can see, looks so clean, neat, and never gonna lifting, never gonna pulling back. And the last piece, it's gonna be this one. So again, knifeless tape, and then go all the way down. And then when the car side mirror go on the car, it's gonna stay here until the mirror not folding. No one can see this line and this line. But even they say no choice. So better you having the line and then make it clean, safe, and customer not every week stop by your shop. Oh, my mirror is lifting. Look at that, it's so clean. I never have issue with those type of the side mirror. Actually, it's very, if you don't know, it's hard and headache take the time. But look at that, how it looks good, and I love it, and all my customers love it. So that's all. Even you wrap with the dark color, you cannot see those online. For the gloss or for the matte, the satin, whatever. So that's how I do wrap. So this is the way you can detach the Porsche mirror or Porsche mirror, whatever you call it. And also how I do wrap, trust me, is the very good way, and then you always will have confidence after the car leave your shop under the heat, anything. So please, if you like this content, and then comment below for me what type of the video you want, and then if you like it, give me thumbs up, and then share it with your friend who you may need it, and subscribe the channel. See you guys very soon. Take care. Bye bye.